Hi guys! Welcome back to Glitter.effron. I am Annette if you are new here. Today, I am just keeping it simple. So I wanted to do full looks, or show you guys the looks that I can make with the makeup bags that I put together in my little organization, travel bag, whatnot video. So I'm gonna start that out today using only the makeup that I put in my gym bag. The stuff we're not gonna be using right now: the perfume, the hand cream, my hair's already up so I don't need the hair elastic, and the packet of face cream I'm gonna leave in here because I have already put moisturizer on my face when I was getting ready for the day. So I have fresh moisturizer on, I am freshly moisturized. So I'm out of ways to say that. There's cream on my face. So I have no face base in here, it's strictly cream. Right after the gym, what is under my eyes? What is wrong with me right now? Oh God. Whatever, let's get into it. So I'm gonna start by throwing on my lip smackers. This one is a Starburst in Royal Berry Punch. Next, I'm gonna use the Avon eyeliner in dark brown, which barely looks dark brown anyway. And I'm gonna do my eyebrows. They exist! Who knew? Now I'm gonna get a little bit of eyeshadow on my face. And I'm using the little Hard Candy Duo. I'm gonna start by using the fluffy brush. And I'm gonna go into the pink. And I'm just gonna put that all over my eye. If you haven't seen me use these brushes yet, they are absolutely amazing. And they're from the dollar store. It was $3 or $4, I think, for a pack of 3. And you get a fluffy brush, a packing brush, and a little angled brush. And they got bamboo handles. And they are just the softest things. Now I'm gonna take the angled brush and go into the white. And then I'm gonna use this under my lower lash line just to brighten up, because I look dead today. I'm gonna take a little bit of that white on my finger and just kind of tap this up my cheeks. And now I'm gonna go in with the Lancome Hypnose Drama. And to complete all this, I'm gonna throw on a bit of this lipstick. This is a micro bubble lipstick in Tea Berry. And this is a very neutral pink, which is why I picked it for this bag. It kind of just gives a little bit of pearlescent color so that I look a little more like I have a face. So that's it, that's all, people. This one was super short. I feel like these makeup bag ones are going to be, but it should be pretty fun. So some quick everyday makeup with no foundation. I'd say that's pretty decent for after the gym. Get your cat ears on. We'll see you in the next video.